Bitcoin is moving again. The charts are alive, the headlines are louder, and everyone's asking the same question. What's next? Are we entering a bull run? Or is this just another trap? Bull versus bear. A war that never ends. But this time, it feels different. Let's rewind. The last time Bitcoin broke key resistance, the market exploded. Altcoins followed. Social media turned green overnight. But what followed was painful. A sudden dump, panic, liquidations. People learned markets don't move in straight lines. They breathe. And sometimes, they bite back. Today, we're seeing the same tension again. Bitcoin climbing slowly, making higher lows, testing resistance. But volume is weak. News is mixed. And the fear-greed index? It flips every other day. That's not stability, that's confusion. Bulls are pointing at the halving cycle, institutional adoption, ETFs. They say, the supply is shrinking, demand is rising, the breakout is coming. But bears, they're looking at macro conditions, interest rates, inflation, regulatory pressure. They say, this is the calm before the next crash. So who's right? Maybe both, because Bitcoin doesn't follow one voice. It follows sentiment. When the crowd believes, it flies. When the crowd doubts, it dumps. And right now, the crowd is divided. But here's the part most people ignore. Bitcoin doesn't need to explode overnight to be bullish. Small moves, clean consolidation, strong support. Those are the real signals. But we live in a space addicted to green candles. If it's not pumping, it's boring. And boredom leads to mistakes. Rushing in, selling too early, FOMOing back in. That's when traders lose. Not because the market is bad, but because they're not patient. So what's next for Bitcoin? The honest answer, nobody knows for sure. But the signs are there. Patterns are forming, volume is building, news is heating up. Something's coming. Bull or bear, one side will win soon. But smart investors, they don't choose sides. They prepare for both. They protect capital. They manage risk. They watch. They wait. And when the breakout happens, up or down, they're ready. That's the difference. That's the mindset. Because in crypto, it's not about predicting the future. It's about surviving long enough to benefit from it. The market speaks to those who listen. So ask yourself, are you listening?